Ayan, tell about importance of education in our life.
Well, education is one of the most used things in our whole life because if you want to do any of the simple things like walking, talking, and eating, most of those things require education because without education, you won't be able to understand what you are doing. And if you want to learn any of the languages, either if you want to learn any of the subjects, then education is also required in those because without education, you won't be able to know what that subject, either what that language is saying. And if you want to use any of the electronic devices such as mobile, computer, laptop, etc., then education is also required in that because without education you won't be able to understand what you have to do with that particular device. And if you want to uh, talk to someone, then education is also required in that because without education you won't be able to speak the languages, either you won't be able to speak your own language without education. And if you want to uh, go for prime minister, then education is also required in that. And if you want to admit your child in any of the big schools such as DPS, DAV, etc., then education is also required in that because without education you won't be able to do any of those things. So education is very important. That's it. Thank you.
I I will tell about importance of mobile in our life.
Well, I'm going to deliver my speech about importance of mobile in our life. In today's scenario, mobile is very important for our life. Suppose you are a student, so you want to study, so you can study by the help of mobile because in a mobile, many types of study platform are available for the students. Uh, you can study by the help of mobile. And suppose you wants to earn money, so by the help of mobile you can earn money. And you are getting bored, so you can entertain yourself by the help of mobile. You can watch movie, K drama, either anything. And suppose you wants to feeling hungry, so you can order food by the help of mobile. And you want to go to anywhere and you don't know the address, so you can reach your destination by the help of mobile because in a mobile many uh, types of apps are available for showing your address. And uh, suppose you want to talk to anybody who are very far than you, so you can call him and you can talk to her in video call, either voice call also. So mobile is very important for our life. That's it. Thank you.
Arpit, tell about the Orator Institute of English Language.
Well, I'm going to speech about the Orator. It is the best tour in my area. It is start on 17 June 2010. Mr. Akhilesh Raj, the director of the Orator Institute, he is very highly qualified. He has very good teaching experience. He has been teaching for last 15 years. There are very good teaching material in the Orator Institute. There are 3 stages of learning English like basic, intermediate, advanced. All students follow discipline in the Orator Institute. Role play extempore seminar classes, one-to-one doubt clearing classes are available for a student. Also, and for a display in the student test. Thank you.
Arushi, tell about my country.
Well, I'm going to give my speech about my country. My country name is India. Delhi is the capital of my country. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in our country. Mr. Narendra Modi is the president of our country, and the first president of our country was Mr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Mrs. Draupadi Murmu is the president of our country, and the first president of our country was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And there are many ancient monuments in our country like Red Fort, India Gate, Hawa Mahal, etc. And there are many religious people live in our country like Hindu, Muslim, Sikhs, Christian, etc. And all religious people celebrate all festivals together like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, etc. And there are many kinds of rivers in our country like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Saraswati, etc. And in ancient time, our India was called the golden bird of an era. And I love my country very much. That's it. Thank you.
Abba, tell about dowry system.
Well, I got it in my speech about dowry system. Well, it is very bad for our country. In the dowry system, the bridegroom party demanded for the dowry to the bride party, and if the bride party doesn't give dowry to the bridegroom party, then they will kill to the bride and torture them and send to their parents' house, and they will also
because of the dowry system, the population of the girls is decreasing day by day, and it was started from the very ancient time when the Raja Janak gives some dowry to his daughter Sita. But that time they give by their own wish. But in today's scenario, people are demanding for the dowries. So according to me, it is very bad for our country. That's it. Thank you.
Clap. Very good. Hans Rawat. Tell about Durator Institute of English Language.
It is the best institute in my area. It is started on 17 June 2010. Mr. Akhilesh is the director of the Orator Institute. He is highly qualified. He has been teaching from last 16 years. There are very good teaching material in the Orator Institute. There are three stages of learning English like basic, intermediate, and advanced. Group discussion, role play, extempore, one-to-one ground clearing classes are available for the student. At the time of studies are always advise us to not only institute but also at home. All the students follow discipline in the Orator Institute. That's it. Thank you.
Ansika, tell about your best friend.
Well, I'm gonna deliver a speech about my best friend. My best friend name is Ratna Bharti. She is my classmate. She always get first position in my class, and she is very pretty. She always help me in my homework, classwork, and also in test. And she is her favorite color is white, and her favorite in free time in free time she like to do uh, like to do art and craft. That's it. Thank you.